How to log in into Credit One Bank credit card online account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can head over to Safari. Let me head over to Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the search bar, search for Credit One Bank credit card login. Scroll down and different sites will be available to you. Head over to this site where it says sign in. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, you will be able to log into your account. Well, in order to log in, what you want to do is, first of all, enter the email address of the account that you want to log in. Once you have entered your email, the next thing you want to do is enter the password that you have created before. Once you have entered the email address and the password, what you want to do is click on sign in, and then you will be logged into your account. But if you don't have your account, then you can also create one by tapping on create an account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Credit One Bank credit card online account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.